Hi, Itro here. I'm Michael, and today I'll be showing you how to make use of this automated bank reconciliation tool. First things first, put in your bank details here, then followed by your cash details here. The next thing, I'm going to show you how it works and go through other features. I'm going to run this now. As you can see, it picks every item that ties between the bank statement and the cash book. However, some items have been left because those items don't tie. One that I'm going to show you, which is the tolerance, is these two items are not equal in essence. There's a difference of like 418. However, the tolerance range is 430, so it picks it. If I make this, let's say 1, and I run it, you can see it didn't pick it because it's not within the tolerance threshold. Now, let me move over to the next feature, which is the day and date range. If I change this date to the next month, which is the 6th month, let's make this range back to 430, and I run it. As you can see, it didn't pick it because it's under month, right? So if I make it the same month again and I run it, it works. This tool basically does reconciliation per month, and any item that's not within that month doesn't reconcile within other items within that with the other month. But however, as you can see here, this is a different date from this date, but it works. It picks it because it does it on a monthly basis, not really on a daily basis. Although it prioritizes day first, then moves over to the month. Now, the next feature here is the accumulated amounts. As you can see here, this amount here in the bank statement is broken down in the cash book as 2 items. It picks it up because it adds up to the same amount. Similarly, on the reverse way, you can also see an item here on the cash book. Probably on the bank statement was 3 items, but was combined in the cash book as just 1 item. It also picks it up because it meets the criteria also. Now, other items that doesn't meet the criteria or doesn't balance with the bank statement or the cash book are being moved to this summary sheet here. And you can use that to know which item is in the bank but not in the book, or which is in the book and not in the bank. So that way you can use to reconcile your account and makes your life very, very easy. So I would love if you can get 1,000 likes for this video. Probably I'll drop a limited version of this if I get up to 1,000 likes. Thank you so much.